because we play regularly ना, we play indoor also, outdoor also, और हम लोग सिर्फ लेदर बॉल से खेलते हैं.
दो ग्रुप है, एक है पंजाब क्लब, कैलकाटा क्लब, हिंदुस्तान क्लब और एक एक है CSC.
इससे भी ना कैसे
अब बात करो.
अब बात करेंगे.
Yes, I think this should be here.
Yeah, this should be
So
here. Right?
that is the defending champions.
Rest we are.
And we believe in the club's philosophy.
Of course.
Win or lose, come back. The beer's always waiting for you.
Beers and kebabs.
I mean, वो तो
Beer
खैर
and kebabs.
पंजाब क्लब आए हैं तो बनता भी है.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
बदनाम है यार.
Calls for a beer.
But any other sport as well. जब CPC आता था तो जो भी ओपोनेंट हो उसके मन में they had this thing यार something can happen here, something can go wrong for us. The opponent would always feel that.
Yeah.
I've been part of
Nee,
the
but
sports
the part
league.
of sports team.
You guys have been
and-
organizing the cricket team all throughout.
But
It's your baby.
But I
not
think
mine.
no, it's you are the grandfather of our baby. So
Very simple.
Let's
I
start.
want to get Punjab Club out of this image
हाँ.
कि ये दारू खाना क्लब है.
Thank you.
Are there any particular challenges that you might have faced which probably everyone can learn from?
I'm just talking about the
I
support.
remember the 3 a.m. hospital scene.
Yeah, correct.
There were players from CSC, our team. At 3 a.m., there were 20 of us standing outside with his parents. Just to hear, he's better now, y'all can leave. Till 3 a.m.
yeah.
They've come out.
DRC,
DRC is
I mean,
done wonders.
in my opinion, is one of the best clubs in Calcutta regarding sports and camaraderie. Fantastic.
absolutely.
CPC cricket team में who do you think will be that one dark horse? Not the regulars, probably like Rajat Bhaiya, Nikhil Bhaiya, Archit Bhaiya, not the regulars, Ricky Bhaiya. But एक dark horse जो आपको लग रहा है maybe निकल के आएगा. So, hi guys, welcome to another edition of Riders Cup Boundary Banter. So today we have Calcutta Punjab Club, the most famous guys I think in cricket right now, Mr. Rajat Agarwal, and as well as most handsome guy probably in cricket right now, Mr. Nikhil Chawla with us. I think Ashu Bhaiya will join us in some time and we'll see that. So the club has a rich history of over 75 years and they have, the institution has really redefined the way it has approached sports and overall socializing in the sense. So we'll dive right into it, Bhaiya.
But
So-
just before you start,
Uh-huh.
just I think we are missing something. We should get the trophy right now.
Oh, the Riders Cup trophy. that.
So I think that should.
That's a good
add
one.
it.
The show off.
Just give me a minute.
Please, go for it.
ये spontaneous है boss.
अब बात करो.
अब बात करेंगे.
Yes, I think this should be here.
Yeah, this should be
So
right.
that is the defending champions cup. I think Rajat Bhai से थोड़ा और वो
Entry आ जाता है.
feel आ गई, vibe आ गई.
Better than Black Label.
मतलब you have the most handsome guy and the best cup दोनों एक
And
एक
the most
side में.
popular guy.
कोई बात नहीं.
all over the
Right?
city.
We'll discuss on this as this goes on.
मतलब feel तो vibe तो आ रही है.
Absolutely.
चलिए.
Because I think the greatest success of our team lies with the fact that it's not only me and Rajat, but I think most of the team coming together, clicking.
Correct.
I think that
Absolutely.
is
I
a
think
big,
that makes
that's
a
a defining
very
factor.
big
Yeah,
difference.
The
And
whole-
cricket as a sport requires that.
The whole mood in the dugout is, you score a good run, you don't score well, but again, we cheer for every player.
Absolutely.
And
And
कोई
मैंने
बात नहीं है,
notice भी
कोई-
किया
हाँ,
कि
notice भी किया, कोई बात नहीं
अगर
है।
कोई गलती भी करता है तो you guys really encourage that person rather than
हम लोग तो
shouting
बोलते हैं
or
भाई
being
तू
negative
गलती
about it.
करेगा तब तुम लोग जाके खेलेंगे तुम लोग सब 100 मार लोगे तुम लोग क्या करेंगे
True.
so that
थोड़ा
is the
खेलने का
हाँ,
मौका भी तो
सबको
चाहिए.
मौका
yeah.
मिलना
And that's probably tournament on tournament. That has been the success recipe for us.
Yeah.
चाहिए. and it took time. It was not
Of
easy.
course.
Getting new players, younger players, different mindsets.
आपने भी उन लोग को नर्चर किया है क्लब के उसमें मोल्ड किया है
हाँ.
and all
So
that.
you have to create that kind of environment कि हम लोग जीते आ रहे, but again we should enjoy the game. That is
हाँ,
more
and
important.
be there for the club probably
for the club, yeah.
playing under such a big banner like
And I
Calcutta
think it
Punjab.
begins from home. I think how the club has also backed us.
हाँ.
We're not going to say that we've had multiple tournaments and we've had intra club and this is we've churned players, and this is the best squad.
हाँ.
But with limited, thing that we have to put things together, the club's backed us with whatever.
Absolutely.
Yeah, in whatever way possible, the club has never said no for nothing. I think probably another year from now, we're looking forward to another tournament intra-club where we probably have a bigger pool of players to
Bigger
choose
pool
from.
of players,
Yeah.
yes. I mean that makes a lot of difference. आपको भी समझ में आता है कि आपके क्लब में कितने लोग ऐसे होंगे probably जिनको आप लोग जानते भी नहीं हो.
Look at CSC for example, they've I think built their squad over 5 years, and their success lies with the reserves that they have.
Absolutely.
They can field 2 teams at any point of time with the number of players that they have. There's a problem of plenty.
Brilliant bench strength. If you look at it.
And the more games you play, the more opportunities you get.
Yeah.
I think it really develops your self-confidence.
हाँ.
Yeah, we can go there, we can perform. There is not a butterflies are always in your stomach.
Obviously, I mean when you enter the field for the first time in the tournament,
That is where the dugout, where how your dugout feels.
Yeah.
That is what brings the best out of your players. So I think Nikhil and me and the greats like Archit, Ricky Bhai and everyone,
हाँ.
they have really encouraged each and every younger player. Like someone like Pratham, you call him.
हाँ.
Somehow
He has come up like
he's come up
He's
like-
come up the ranks and how.
I mean somehow before the CSA tournament we gave him a thing. Doesn't matter you score 0, you score 100, but this spot is fixed for you.
हाँ, you just be there.
You be there. You do your part. Doesn't matter you score. We are not looking at your score. You be there and do your part. Rest we are.
And we believe in the club's philosophy.
Of course.
Win or lose, come back. The bear's always waiting for you.
Beers and kebabs.
I mean वो तो
Yeah,
खैर
kebabs.
पंजाब क्लब आए हैं तो बनता भी है.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
बदनाम है यार.
Calls for a beer.
So I mean we spoke about the club. That is what I was going to delve into. Is like इस क्लब की भी एक बहुत rich history है. I mean 1940-41 से चालू हुई हुई. There's so many before independence and एक legacy है. तो while approaching like an inter-club tournament, like you're playing under the club banner, वो legacy का कुछ pressure या वैसा कुछ feel होता है कि we are carrying a legacy forward, maybe थोड़ा सा in your ways or something. हल्का फुल्का कुछ.
Inbuilt है boss. Punjabis है.
हाँ.
तो वो तो
I think competitive, 100%.
Yeah.
If you see the success of Punjab Club in sports over the last 5 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And imagine there was a tournament last week. The club did it.
The inter-club
And
sports thing.
It was probably the second edition.
Oh,
ever to
only
happen.
the second edition
Only
from
the second
Punjab
edition
Club.
since
Okay.
inception for this to happen.
Okay.
And cricket wasn't a part of it. But imagine the success that we had there. We've had in poker. We have regularly in snooker, across many other sports. Be it the Satsi Carnival,
Satsi, HC, all inter-club
CSC.
carnivals, yeah.
So I think
we are a
it's
force
great
to
barometer.
reckon with.
Yeah.
And when we participate, I think we have a point to prove, and we have been doing this for quite some time now, and hopefully we'll.
मतलब I think जब भी CPC का टीम का नाम आता है तो जो ओपोनेंट होता है उसको हल्का सा तो फीलिंग सबकॉन्शियस में आ ही जाता है
नहीं तो
कि यार हारने का पूरा वो है सीन बन रहा है.
It's mutual with all the clubs. You name it HC, you name it CPC, you
हाँ.
name it CSC, you name it any other club, RCGC. All clubs are equally aligned and well balanced. So no one is going there for fun or something.
हाँ,
Everyone
and
has
you want to win, of course. If you're going there, you want to win.
You are sacrificing something, right? You are sacrificing
Your family time.
family time, your business,
Mom,
your
dad, business,
various other
wife.
things.
It's fair to
It's-
put it with the fact that like everybody else, we take our sports seriously.
Correct.
So which is there. We wouldn't want to just sum it up saying, it's for a.
Just not a filler.
Yeah, it's not a filler. It is something that.
It is something that is ingrained in your philosophy as a club.
If you're there, if you're a pool of like 2,000 members and few people are getting selected to play for a certain sport, I think you have to prove a point. Doesn't matter.
You can't just get selected like that. You really have to churn your players.
You have to
Harsh, if
give
you
it a
see, there is genuine, genuinity in the fact that the club has only reached here not out of being like this forever. We've had tournament after tournament, multi-sport tournament, Satsi Carnival, CSC. We've won nothing for years.
For years.
For years,
We
yes,
were
yes,
like Punjab Club, it's a blank across
Ah.
multiple sports.
They are part of it,
And,
but they're not winning per se.
I like the term you used. We are a force to reckon with now.
Now.
And probably it is with the fact that now it's only to improve from here. It's only to do better.
Yeah, so I was part of SATC Carnival, HC Carnival, CSC Carnival, part of the management, and I always had that feeling that whenever CPC came in any sport, like cricket, तो खैर है, cricket में you guys are, I mean, salute है, but any other sport as well. जब CPC आता था तो जो भी opponent हो, उसके मन में they had this thing यार something can happen here, something can go wrong for us. The opponent would always feel that.
So they put in their hours, they put in their effort. Yes, if you are going there, let's make it a point. It's not about winning or losing, but yes, एक fight देके आना चाहिए,
So
straight
hats
नहीं होना
off
चाहिए.
to
So
I think the club together, coming together with all the sports. I mean, I'm so
And-
proud of the fact how the club is.
Ashu Bhaiya, Duparji, everyone, they have been so supportive. throughout.
Absolutely. I think उनके बिना तो
उनके
फिर
बिना
खैर कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. If they are there as the backbone,
Correct.
I think आप लोग का भी you have that thing to go move forward as much as possible.
Absolutely.
तो मेरे को और एक चीज ये पूछना था, like you mentioned the inter club sports meet that happened. तो you organized this and you're saying it's just the second edition, which is surprising for a club this big and this renowned. How was the experience in probably organizing such a grand event? I mean, the scale was huge, the multiple clubs coming in, and I'm sure you hosted so many athletes as well as spectators and everyone in this building. Matlab, how rewarding or fulfilling was that?
I
how
was
that
part
feeling?
of only probably as a spectator watching it.
Okay.
Because it was spread across sports that were pickle, not even darts, pickle, snooker,
Swimming.
no, probably a couple of others, yeah, poker and one more.
Poker, yes.
And I came in as a spectator. I saw it was great. You would have been there. Had you been there, it would have been better.
Arey, but yeah, I was not part of it.
I know. I
but-
assume the club did it
Yeah.
on its own, and they did a great job.
Yeah.
I can only see it level up from here. What I'm trying to say, assuming there are more sports involved, more people coming in. I think-
Absolutely.
Yeah. Like
You take.
you aspire
I
to.
think it's step by step process. You know, you can't just jump into a bigger thing. If your big things take time. Rome was not built in a day.
Absolutely, ekdam.
So we were really adamant कि let's include cricket, but again, you know, I think we should give time to the club, the organizers and everyone.
हाँ,
Let's give
because-
it time, and gradually we will be there, and we will be there with a lot of bang. So I think we have a good start, and definitely will progress from here.
So, guys, thank you, Ashu Bhaiya. Really, thank you for coming. We are welcoming Ashu Bhaiya, who heads sports for this amazing organization, Punjab Club. So, just to get you up to speed, we were talking about how Punjab Club, with its rich history, more than 75 years old club, and the sports culture and the social culture ingrained in such an awesome way. And you just hosted an interclub sports meet, inviting all the clubs, so many athletes, spectators, and so how was the feeling? How rewarding or fulfilling was it
It was
to
amazing.
host other
It was
clubs?
amazing for the first time we did it. I mean, we've been going and participating everywhere, but for the first time we did it on our own. It was really good, amazing.
Okay.
And the icing on the cake was like we were the ones who won the entire tournament.
That just makes it
Out-
even better.
Yeah, I mean, we were the host club, but we won the entire tournament. We were runners up in 3 events, winners in 1, semi-finalists in 1. So overall, we did very well. We did very well.
Awesome. And Bhaiya,
And
so
hats off to our members. Fantastic.
they really backed you and supported you.
Fantastic. It was too good.
So
That
one
is
thing,
the culture we build in
Yeah.
our club,
Aha,
right?
of course.
You know, we have to back each other, and doesn't matter you win or lose. But again, if your you know the whole thing is that the direction is right, so you'll get good results.
and you have a backing, such a strong backing. I mean, even if you lose, it doesn't
Actually,
matter.
you know, I've been part of the cricket team, me and Nikhil, for last 4-5 years. And
Not part
the
of the
backing,
cricket team.
yeah.
I've been part of
Nee,
the
but the
sports
part
team.
of the sports team
You guys
and
have been
us-
organizing the cricket
yeah.
team all throughout.
But
It's your baby,
But
not
I think
mine.
no, it's you are the grandfather of our baby. So
Grandfather.
सीधा आपको grandfather ही बनाएंगे.
so I think I see initially we were really left like how to go ahead and all, but just because of his support एंड ही ऑलवेज सेट कि रजत को जो करना है, निखिल को जो करना है कर, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, तुमको क्या चाहिए को ये बताओ। तो अगर कोई बोल भी देता है और वो कर भी देता है, तो हम लोग की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि वहाँ पे इनको रिजल्ट ला के दिखाना।
Absolutely.
एंड समहाउ
The result is not the thing. The thing is, the club will participate no matter what.
हाँ.
हर जगह में will participate. Your baby, cricket is yours. तुमको क्लब से क्या चाहिए? We are there.
I mean,
We will not back out.
वो जो आप
वो चाहिए
बोल
मिलेगा।
रहे हैं, that is such a big thing, Ashu bhai. I mean, honestly, this is very rare. I have been to other clubs and seen, but what you are saying and the way you are handling it also, I think it is commendable how you are handling it.
स्ट्रेस फ्री है, हम लोग के लिए स्ट्रेस फ्री है कि आशु भाई को कुछ बोल दो तो अगर वो इफ इट्स राइट ही विल डेफिनेटली।
In fact, just 5 minutes ago, Nikhil bhaiya, Rajat bhaiya were telling me कि आपका जो support है, the backbone that you provide in terms of any sport.
Support तो I will give.
हाँ.
इन लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे तब तो सपोर्ट होगा. Because of them going ahead and doing it, तभी सपोर्ट आता है ना.
Absolutely. एकदम.
Support तो is always there. Because I've got such classy guys around. They're taking care of everything. So I'm relaxed.
You are relaxed.
I'm relaxed.
But see the results. It's not just cricket. Imagine the support that he's lent to other sports.
Other
as well.
sports, yes.
We are a force to reckon with in snooker,
Right now,
poker, name
yeah.
the sport. Like I mean,
Darts.
Any sport.
any sport across any
Pickleball-
inter-club
pickleball
tournament.
we are doing very
Pickleball.
well.
Pickleball, yes.
Yeah,
We're doing well.
I mean, I've seen Sukesh bhaiya playing pickleball.
yeah, he does.
Okay, हाँ.
And he is brilliant. And the energy that he gets in to the whole court, to the whole team.
True. It's a teamwork. It's not कि I'm taking all the decisions. I'm doing everything. इन लोग नहीं सपोर्ट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? क्या फायदा क्या?
हाँ, आप भी किसको सपोर्ट करोगे?
Exactly. वही तो बात
बनता है। तो भैया मेरे को वही जानना था। See, you have been so amazing with the whole sports thing of the club. वो एक वो कोर थॉट क्या है आपके मन में? मतलब just delving into that कि वो क्या है?
It's very simple.
Let's
I
start.
want to get Punjab club out of this image
हाँ,
कि ये दारू खाना क्लब है.
Thank you.
true.
Okay.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
Very well.
It is a sporting club also.
Exactly. Right.
We have in-house snooker, darts, TT,
स्विमिंग,
squash भी आ गया है, swimming is there.
Tennis on courts.
Tennis, we have tennis separate courts,
वी हैव अ टफ
and we have a good turf where you got
Squash
football.
upstairs.
स्क्वाश।
And it's crazy. We have in-house pickleball. Sorry,
Pickleball.
pickleball 2 courts, and every pickleball player which I interact with, they say your courts are the best courts in the city.
Amazing. That's
We
amazing.
were the first club to open a pickleball court.
Okay.
Yeah, we were the first club. हमारे पीछे then other clubs opened up because
I'm
pickleball has picked up.
It has picked up. It's a growing
It
sport.
is really doing well. Now
Yes.
pickleball is very popular.
Yes.
But we had a pickleball event also. मतलब inter club में pickleball was there.
हाँ.
I mean, the feedback I got was like your courts are the best in the city.
Which is
I don't
amazing.
want to brag about it,
But the feedback is there.
I've heard.
Yeah.
I've heard from all the clubs. They've been playing in on the private areas also, private arenas. and everything.
बहुत सारे हैं अब
हाँ
तो.
बहुत हो गए बट हमारा पिकलबॉल कोर्ट दे ऑलवेज सेड कि आपका वन ऑफ द बेस्ट है.
That's amazing.
Bounce,
That's
the-
amazing.
The carry,
Everything.
it's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good. Though I don't play pickleball.
हाँ.
I follow every sport. That's
But
good enough.
I think that's the beauty of it कि although you're not playing that sport, but उस sport
I have
के
a
लिए
knowledge of every sport, so I just
आपके पास जो knowledge और जो feedback आप ले रहे हो and उस पे आप फिर सबको support करो, I think that's the beauty of it and that's why CPC is
मैं तो
here.
सपोर्ट करता हूँ, क्लब सपोर्ट करता हूँ. मेरा आई एम देयर. I might be the
very
face,
modest, but
That's just the brilliant modesty
For us,
coming out.
imagine Bhaiya is the POC. There's no club. There is Bhaiya, and you're not.
कुछ होता है आशु भी
Yeah.
ऐसे करना है, देख लो अच्छा लग रहा है कर
I mean that's the beauty of his modesty coming
लो.
out.
वो कम्युनिकेशन इतना इजी है ना, कभी कम्युनिकेशन
It's very
कम्युनिकेशन
simple.
गैप होता नहीं है.
It's a very simple model. The boys are in charge. Club से कोई चाहिए, I am there.
हाँ.
बाकी you take your call. No worries.
And the success is there to
The
see.
club is there to support you.
I mean Rajat bhai, Nikhil bhai, you guys are
I'm the
too
point.
lucky
I'm the
to
point.
have him.
I'm the
Yeah,
pointsman for the club.
Why lie
That's
that?
it.
तो अभी इसमें क्या होता है ना कि अभी आपका यू कंसंट्रेट ऑन प्लेइंग योर गेम
Exactly.
एंड यू डोंट कंसंट्रेट ऑन द अदर थिंग्स,
The back end or the basic managing stuff.
तो ये बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रेस
point
रिलीवर है
getting into the politics.
कि भैया हम लोग को अपने
हाँ
गेम
वो
में
तो खराब ही करना है गेम को.
हाँ,
स्पोर्ट्स में अगर पॉलिटिक्स आएगा तो
खत्म ही है. एंड दैट उसका एग्जांपल्स बतेरे पड़े हिस्ट्री में.
लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू इट.
वो थोड़ा सा डिविएटिंग हो जाएगा. हाँ, बट तो अभी जो इंटर क्लब स्पोर्ट्स हुए एंड अदर टूर्नामेंट्स भैया एंड रजत भैया, आप लोग ने इतने बढ़िया एंड एट द स्केल दैट यू हैव डन, आर देयर एनी पर्टिकुलर challenges that you might have faced which probably everyone can learn from regarding athletes, officials,
not exactly,
facilities?
because see, all the clubs are very supportive.
Yes, absolutely.
That makes a lot of difference.
Very good.
All the clubs. I cannot chalk out कि इसने ये किया. Every club is very supportive. So that's where the Calcutta wala culture comes in, the club culture.
True, very true. Very
That's
true.
that's very encouraging.
हाँ,
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मतलब कुछ हुआ, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत होता है. I mean, it's
वो तो ठीक है, it's a part of the game. वो competitiveness आती
होता है.
हाँ,
But then
वो सब है.
when we sit down, chill, चलो खत्म
तो शाम को जब बैठते हैं तो
वो सब अपने आपस में अपने ही लोग हैं,
लोग
थोड़ी कोई पराए हैं. True.
In this way, I'll say that all the clubs in Calcutta are very supportive,
Yeah.
amazingly supportive. So that makes things easier for
course.
any organizing club.
हाँ, कोई भी करे उनको पूरा
आज हम
city
लोग
का
किसी
support
और क्लब में भी
मिल रहा है.
जाते हैं,
फर्क
ऐसा नहीं
पड़ता
लगता कि कोई नए क्लब में जा रहे हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि
Exactly.
अपने ही क्लब है.
अपना ही घर है.
Yeah,
अपना
we
ही घर.
received very well. I think
received
across
very
all the clubs, BRC, HC,
Saturday
Everyone,
club,
everyone. Name the club.
CSC, yeah.
CSC.
You name the clubs, it's really amazing actually.
So it's like a own community without a tag name or something.
Exactly.
And
हाँ,
we all
ये
are-
अपना इकोसिस्टम
अपने
सा बन
ecosystem
गया
है.
है.
देखो, चाहे तुम वो टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट खेलो
हाँ जी,
या ड्यूस बॉल क्रिकेट खेलो,
बिल्कुल.
it's the same everywhere.
Yeah, correct.
There is no आज अच्छा, I don't want to get into that incident, जो भी है.
नहीं, थोड़ा सा बोलेंगे. थोड़ा सा बोलेंगे.
The candid, that is why we are
ये थोड़ा सा
conversing. Come on.
controversial
बंद कर भाई, 2
चलेगा.
मिनट के लिए.
नहीं.
नहीं,
It is not a controversial thing.
नहीं, but ठीक है.
I'm just talking about जो निखिल को हुआ 2 साल पहले.
That was sad.
Sad नहीं, मतलब see the support we got
Yeah,
from
yeah.
everybody.
देखो.
गेम बंद,
Pamani को वो जो गिरा.
ओ अच्छा, हाँ, right.
गेम बंद, मतलब सब भाग के
Ironically,
गए.
I played with him last night. We were playing paddle together last night, and he's come out of the recovery so well. And, but that
That
incident
was-
was.
I'm just talking about the support.
I remember the 3 a.m. hospital scene.
Yeah, correct.
There were players from CSC, our team. At 3 a.m., we were 20 of us standing outside with his parents, just to hear he's better now. Y'all can leave till 3 a.m.
I mean, where that presence matters.
That's
what I'm
आप
saying.
खड़े हो.
That's the camaraderie we have among the
correct.
clubs.
True.
Doesn't matter वो गेम का क्या होगा नहीं होगा, बाद
वो
में
गेम बाद में गई.
पहले भाई को देखो.
वो फाइनल था.
फाइनल सब
Final.
करेक्ट.
बिल्कुल.
हो सकता है तो अदर क्लब में से अरे हम तो जीत गए, हम तो हार गए, जीत गए, वॉक आउट वॉक ओवर दीजिए, कुछ नहीं.
and it was a
done well.
2-3 minute conversation कि इसको क्या करना है. मतलब कि सिद्धार्थ भाई से बात हुआ, सिद्धार्थ मैनी से, वेदांत से बात हुई, भैया जैसे करना है इसको कर लेते हैं, हम लोग को इसमें ट्रॉफी की जरूरत नहीं है.
Let him become.
Let him become
Fine.
all right. Let
Absolutely.
him
Now the health takes precedence.
Absolutely.
The health has to be
And you know,
better.
everyone was so supportive कि उसको सब लेके जाएंगे, एम्बुलेंस आई, ये आई, वो आई, and it was a really difficult task.
It was not a small incident.
not a
It was
small
very
incident.
tough.
And it was
Though I was not there, I was watching it live.
And the point is,
हालत
कि ना,
खराब हो गई
whole tournament, an ambulance was there,
true.
everything was there. Just half an hour पहले वो एम्बुलेंस को उन्होंने रिलीव किया कि तुम
कि
जाओ,
अब हो गया है,
हो
निकलो.
गया तुम जाओ, और उसी आधे घंटे के अंदर में वो.
But ठीक है, वो तो भैया you can never gauge or know really. But that's fine. But I think it was handled.
I think
superbly
यहीं पे
well.
CSC के साथ और हम लोग के साथ जो बॉन्डिंग है, it got more stronger and it was more like a brotherhood.
More
or
like a
something.
brotherly thing and
हमने लास्ट में
everyone
बोला
coming
छोड़ना,
together.
क्या ट्रॉफी हमें दे दे.
देखिए वो ट्रॉफी का प्यार तो होता है. वो तो
I think
है.
with them it's a
वो
little
तो
extra
है.
वो
special.
तो रहेगा.
वो तो है.
That thing is there.
तो
That
DRL
spark in a sportsman is always there.
Who doesn't want to win?
डकौत लूज के हिसाब से हम लोग जीते रहे थे.
Rajat will be like, let's not get there.
Actually.
वो ठीक है.
So that's what I mean. I was coming to that. Ki, you know, our city, Calcutta as a city, has become so into these inter-club carnivals, like all clubs coming together, and really we have the city as a whole has formed an ecosystem.
It is.
So how, and in the last 3-4 years, if I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, 3 years. Yeah.
Maybe 3-4 years ish, it has really grown to another level. So how do you feel that will affect our city in a good way? I mean, how is it good for our city, or how do we make it more even better?
It's really good for the camaraderie which we have. We're having. But frankly speaking, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया.
सांस कब ले?
back to back चल ही रहा है.
It's back to back now.
To be very honest, we are every 2 months there's an interclub thing.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
वो ठीक है. I mean, now everyone wants to get into it, ना?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
True. मैं सबको लगता है कि मैं अपने
earlier
club को
only
represent
one
Now it's
club,
not
then
forced.
the second
Now
one.
you are willing to get into it. ये भी आ रहा है Saturday club आएगा इसके बाद ये आएगा.
do you have your
With-
calendar kind of
In
plan?
cricket till 5 years ago, till indoor wasn't a thing.
Yeah.
Season khatam. Season called off.
हाँ मतलब
After May, June,
October till April-ish.
yeah, you're done with all finals are done, and
Yeah.
May to September you relax.
It's not only inter clubs are going on. There are a lot of corporate events which are going on.
True.
There are a lot of inter something
Yeah.
is going on.
And intra club, like
Ah.
inside the club, you are having your own tournaments, little tournaments, bigger maybe.
Hey, it's good for the club. It's good for the clubs and all. You get new players.
हाँ.
You get to know who's playing, who's not playing. But ठीक है, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से ओवर हो रहा है.
नहीं ओवर हो रहा but ठीक है. I think ओवर होना ज़्यादा अच्छा तभी. But ठीक है, it's okay. I
हाँ
think
मतलब
As an organizer,
हाँ
it's a headache.
Yeah.
हम लोग तो
मतलब बैक टू बैक
sure.
एक खत्म हुआ, एक और
दूसरा शुरू हुआ.
सडनली आया, अरे एक और इनवाइट आ गया, अरे ये भी इनवाइट आ गया. I mean, what do you participate in?
हाँ, where do you say no? Where do you not say
problem
no?
of
I mean,
choice
what
is there
to do?
again.
So that is where intra club kicks in. You know, you need to have a larger pool of players,
True.
so that you can recognize the players. You can play. Part
Maybe
of-
you can rest some
you
players
can,
and
you can play Test,
you can manage
T20,
it
one
that
day,
way.
all at the same time. So you need to have a larger pool of players. That is where inter club kicks in, and the clubs are organizing inter club, and you are getting new talents and everywhere. So I think somehow, somewhere, my kids, his kids, everyone has to, has a chance. कि okay, यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है, मेरे को थोड़ा सा.
And probably when they grow up more, they
Yeah.
look forward to
Yeah.
this कि हम लोग को ये culture मिला है.
एकदम. आज हम लोग के पापा लोग आते थे यहाँ पे कि हाँ ठीक है जाना है सैटरडे नाइट है दारू पीना है ये करना है. आज हमारे बच्चे आएंगे वहाँ पे पिकल बॉल है या स्विमिंग है
हाँ,
यहाँ पे
कोई
chair
ना
है.
कोई एक
वो-
sport लेंगे.
वो एक स्पोर्ट लेंगे.
That
वो
makes
अपने
a lot-
जेमसन या ब्लैक लेबल चूज नहीं करेंगे. वो एक पिकल बॉल
one thing is come out of all this. सबसे बड़ा चीज जो आया है which has come out of all this, clubs which are not into sports.
True.
I mean, you look at Hindustan Club.
हाँ, they were not at all into sports.
I don't want to get into all that.
No, but so well organized, bro.
They
And,
now they made which you did it.
yeah,
It was amazing.
so well organized. Thank you so much. And
I mean, suddenly Hindustan Club has come up as a sporting club.
correct.
Suddenly एक आ
हाँ,
गया.
they changed their image from the like आपने बोला दारू एंड खाना क्लब. हिंदुस्तान क्लब का इमेज कि हम यहाँ पे कचौड़ी और समोसा
हाँ,
मिलेगा.
बस-
वो
that image was there.
हम लोग के लिए फेमस था कि वहाँ पे बिना प्याज और बिना
प्याज लहसुन का खाना मिल जाएगा.
हम लोग को इसी बट अगेन व्हेन यू वेन देयर और बिना प्याज और बिना गार्लिक का खाना भी स्वाद होता है. वहाँ जाके पता
I think
चला.
another great example is BRC.
हाँ यार.
They've come up.
BRC,
BRC is
I mean,
done wonders.
my opinion, is one of the best clubs in Calcutta regarding sports
Yeah.
and camaraderie. Fantastic.
Absolutely.
They have done wonders with their teams, their kids.
True.
The
They're
way
the
they're
most,
nurturing
they're the most
kids.
competitive club
Yeah.
They are.
in any sport.
They are.
I think Satsy
You
was
name
the
the
club.
sport, even if they don't have it in the club, they will land up and they will compete.
They'll
in it.
compete and they'll work on it as well.
Exactly.
आगे भी काम करेंगे to make
That's
it
the
better.
true sports culture which they have. VRC has a
And very competitive.
hardcore sports culture. Hardcore.
Hardcore.
It's very nice.
और एक और चीज भैया आई मीन आई थिंक आपसे पूछना ये बेटर रहेगा वुड बी कि सीपीसी हैज अ वेरी व्हाट वी हैव सीन आई मीन यू नो एज अ किड आल्सो आई यूज्ड टू कम हियर विद फैमिली एंड अब जैसे अभी भी आते हैं एंड
You're
एक
always
स्ट्रॉन्ग
welcome.
सेंस ऑफ कम्युनिटी और एक मेंबर्स में जो अफेक्शन है ये ना बाकी क्लब्स में इतना नहीं है जितना सीपीसी में दिखता है फॉर सम रीजन एक होता है ये मेरी पर्सनल फीलिंग है टोटली पर्सनल क्वेश्चन तो ये स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ जो एक मेंबर्स के बीच में जो इतना अफेक्शन और
Are we
कम्युनिटी
recording this?
फीलिंग है यस
My answer would have been something else.
Yeah, we can.
so भैया so I'll tell you the best part about Red Riders. I mean you have seen us
Yeah.
how we do things. This conversation will go out to the world unedited. We don't believe in editing. जो है वो है. It is as it is. Just
We can speak our heart out.
Yeah, I can't say because I can't represent every member of the club.
Yeah.
absolutely. I mean, I'm just talking about the general
My
consensus.
take is it's basically our club has that culture of camaraderie from day one.
Yeah.
Since I was a child, since I've been a member. I've been coming here since we used to have movies on Sundays. Everyone used to hang around together. और सबका वही फिक्स्ड है, गोल्ड कॉइन, दाल पकौड़ा, मतलब इट्स लाइक
वो एक set system है.
Everyone enjoys themselves and we all know each other.
True.
It's a close knit family.
Yeah.
The club has come up from such small members, little limited members, to being around 2300-2400 members.
Wow.
तो है, वो शुरू से ही है. But I can't pinpoint कि ये reason है,
Yes,
you can't pinpoint a reason.
हाँ, you can't pinpoint. I'm
when
sure.
we're sitting downstairs,
Yeah.
you know, on the courtyard,
हाँ.
I think if Bhaiya walks in or any of us walk in, we'd actually walk up to tables, sit with them, eat out of their plate, go to another table and eat. I'm not.
There's no formalities in our club.
Exactly.
There's no formal thing affair out
I
here.
mean, that's a big thing. To be very honest, that's huge. To have that
Camaraderie
culture
among-
in the club,
that
it's
culture is
huge.
There's no snob value out here, frankly speaking.
And basically for
Punjab
us,
club has no snob value.
that is what
That,
we have
that
seen.
makes a
our-
lot of difference.
That is what we have seen our fathers growing up कि उनके टेबल में यहाँ पे
Absolutely.
सबसे मिलते ही एक ड्रिंक लेके सबके आसपास जाते थे, मिलते सबसे वैसे ही
मतलब
अपना-
in fact I think when I entered with Rajat Bhaiya and I saw Rajat Bhaiya चल रहे हैं, every 10 steps he's like uncle कैसे है, दो कार है, भैया आप कैसे हैं, how are you doing, dude, what, like होता है ना that
That's
वो
very
that
normal. out
100
here.
meter walk was like more than 20 hellos or something.
It's very normal out here. Very normal.
That's amazing. I mean, ये probably
You're
a culture
never-
है
you-
to get inspired
You're
from.
never
It's a very
alone. अगर आप
inspirational thing.
अगर अकेले भी आते हो तो भी आपके साथ कम से कम 100 आदमी साथ में है जो आपके साथ है, नहीं होते
मतलब
हैं।
आप अकेले आए हो बट अकेले हो नहीं फिर.
हाँ, नहीं.
You are here, then you are with your family.
That's the reason it's called at least my second home.
Okay.
It's like I walk in, hello भैया.
भैया, I'll tell you a secret
चलता रहता
on this note. अभी रजत भैया के सामने my own sister, my elder sister, and my own जिया जी. अभी मैं मिलाया रजत भैया से. My sister told रजत भैया that CPC is my second home.
अच्छा.
My own sister.
Nice.
मतलब in fact I was telling him कि अगर मेरे को बहुत बार होता है कि every week once my दीदी and जिया जी are here.
No, nice to know that.
That's amazing.
For many members, I think around maximum members I know is their second home.
True.
So that is one thing which is there. That's always been there.
And that, I mean, again, Bhaiya, you are being amazingly modest and nice about it. But ये club है, एक कारण से है. There is a reason.
इसका vibe अलग है.
Vibe है.
Vibe totally different.
There is a reason why it. And जब मेरे को मेरी own sister का पता है जो ये बोलती है तो आप समझ सकते हो. I understand that vibe that is there. अच्छा so एक और चीज. Now let's come to cricket a little bit.
हाँ.
So 2024 and 25 I believe has been exceptional for Punjab club.
Yeah. They'll tell you better.
Yeah, you have done wonders. मतलब ये था कि even my club team was scared कि यार पंजाब क्लब से मैच है. मैं बता रहा हूँ कि हमारा टीम मीटिंग ये था कि अब पंजाब क्लब से मैच है, करना क्या है, क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So how do you think that form that is there, is it going to continue still? Do you have that confidence कि वो form continue हो रहा है, like Riders Cup is right around the corner?
I think maybe if you look at the CSC tournament, I think that proves a point कि
हाँ, तो CSC में भी
So
आप
we
जीते,
were
HC में भी आप
unbeaten,
जीते, SATC में भी आप जीते. I mean, exceptional year.
I think the
So-
two tournaments we didn't win, we were losing finalists.
Yeah, you were in the
There
finals.
were- yeah. So there's no compromise.
let's do the bat and the ball talking and the results will.
I like that. And I think I can see that confidence on Ashu
No,
Bhaiya's
no,
face
no,
also.
yeah.
My
That's the
confidence is always
answer.
with them. I'm confident of these guys. That's the thing. Oh, actually,
Little-
I'm very confident
little
of them.
short on words, but again on the field, I think we do our best. लाइक आई सेड अगेन कि वहाँ पे कोई ना कोई कुछ एक सैक्रिफाइस करके आ रहा है, कोई फैमिली सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है,
True,
कोई
true.
बिजनेस सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है, वहाँ पे कोई आप मजाक करने नहीं आ रहे हो.
हाँ,
Exactly, because they are not professionals.
of course.
बट अगेन
They're all amateurs. मतलब
हमने-
ultimately
और
घर छोड़ के
हाँ
धंधा छोड़ के भाई पहुंच रहे हैं.
पहुंच रहे हैं.
और
4 बजे पहुंचना जी, मैच है. कभी हावड़ा में हो रहा है, कभी तोपसिया में हो रहा है, कभी कहाँ हो रहा है.
ये वाला नरेंद्रपुर में.
और ये 16 जन का
ये
स्क्वाड
नरेंद्रपुर में
है.
है? अच्छा,
16 जन का स्क्वाड है, उसमें ओनली निखिल एंड रजत कैन नॉट विन द होल टूर्नामेंट, राइट?
Exactly.
So
Cricket is a team game.
it's a team game, boss.
It's a team game.
So जो आई थिंक जो मूव डगआउट भी होता है ना, वो डगआउट डिफाइन करता है कि आप फील्ड में कैसा अपने आप को प्लेस करते हो. एंड जो फील्ड में हम लोग करते हैं, जो डगआउट में हम लोग का मूड रहता है, आई थिंक इट शोज एंड रिजल्ट्स आई थिंक
We play a very, I think, like others, we play a very honest brand of cricket. ये है, not by honest, I don't mean fair or this thing, but in terms of commitment.
True.
I think the secret of our success has greatly been commitment, not
That-
about just leaving,
That's the
but on the
Punjab Club
field.
motto, na?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Win, lose, participation has to be there.
And that
No matter what.
drive or that spark or that commitment, as you said, is there in every player.
I think probably we're inbuilt a little more aggressive. I think that probably, you know,
We-
aggressive
we
all of
are-
us are.
we- that's okay.
We have
That's
that
part of
level
the
of our
sport.
cricket that will always be aggressive. Doesn't matter if we are 5 wickets down, but जो अगर निखिल का जो स्टाइल है
Well,
वो
I
ऐसे
think
खेले.
if I remember correctly, last year Rajat Bhaiya said that you really like Dada.
Yeah.
Saurav Ganguly. I mean, you have that Dada brand of cricket. एक होता है ना that
Absolutely.
you are there as a lion, otherwise you're not.
He's promised this year. He's saying we win the Ryder Cup, the shirt goes off.
I'll be ready with a camera for that.
I actually have to move.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Gotta leave.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya, for doing this
Thank
and
you.
taking out your
Thank you.
time. So Ashu Bhaiya has left, of course, because he's busy, and as we know, he's amazing, and you guys are lucky to have him. No questions asked. He's
We
too
know
good,
that,
and he's amazing. Coming back to Riders Cup, so जो बात हुई, I mean, ये कब दिख रहा है, थोड़ा मेरे को भी जल रहा है.
पास में लेकिन साथ में नहीं है. पास में है लेकिन साथ में नहीं है.
But yeah, so as I said, you had an exceptional year, and I think you are going to continue that form in Riders Cup as well.
100%.
I'll tell you, let you in a secret. I mean, जितने टीम्स क्लब कैप्टन से बात हुई है, सबको एक ही डर है कि सीपीसी क्या करेगा.
हम लोग
ये क्या है?
हम लोग एक दूसरे को नहीं छोड़ते. ये मेरे को अच्छी बॉल डालता है, मैं इसको चौका मारता हूँ. तो हम लोग
That
किसी
level of camaraderie,
Yeah, so-
but that level of competitiveness.
Yeah.
I mean, your team, as a cricket team, it is amazing. The way people come up to the pitch and they get themselves in on the ground. It's
Dominance.
amazing.
I think I'd like to also mention a big fact that over the years we've had people who've performed, who've been together, but there's still no superstar.
Yeah.
There's no one. There are good
Yes,
players. There are
there
seniors.
are very good players,
Yeah.
but yeah, there's not that
Nobody,
one guy
nobody
who
is
will
branded as a superstar and and the team is dependent.
Yeah.
All of us. I mean, I'll name so many of us who are old timers. Yet, on a given day, someone's better than the other. But it's it's a team sport.
Very,
completely.
very good point. We have a lot of Suresh Rainas and Jadejas, but we don't point out a Virat Kohli or
True,
something.
true.
And
Neither do we take someone to that
yeah,
pedestal.
yeah.
हाँ.
And
Yeah.
that
मतलब
is
आप
good.
लोग का कल्चर ही वही नहीं कि
Yeah,
कोई
yeah.
वहाँ पहुँच जाए और अपने आप को समझे कि मैं
बिल्कुल,
वो.
एकदम.
I-
We
I-
win
that,
together,
that
we lose
shows on the
together.
field also. That shows on the field, the way you play, the way things are sorted, and everyone is part
Very,
of the
very
system.
important point as a as a unit. That is, I think, what defines कि how you take your game forward, and it shows results. And we cherish every bad ball and also the good balls.
True.
So ये I think ये जो क्लब का कल्चर है, that is what it takes us on the field and results. Results तो भगवान के पास में है, and whatever it is, you do your part. Let it.
अच्छा, मेरे को एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज पूछना है आपसे, जो मैं पिछली बार नहीं पूछा था, बट इस बार लग रहा है पूछना चाहिए.
एकदम.
So there are legendary rivalries in sport, like Federer, Nadal, India, Pakistan, Ashes. तो अब अपना जो इतना बड़ा इकोसिस्टम है क्लब्स का, इंटर क्लब्स का, what is that rivalry? What is CPC versus? है वो है, you cannot deny it.
नहीं 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 नहीं
नहीं, you cannot
नहीं,
deny
नहीं,
it.
It's not rivalry. It's
निखिल
not
भैया के
rivalry.
चेहरे पे
I think
नहीं rivalry मतलब एक होता है ना कि यार एशेज चल रहा है यार, फेडरल नडाल का गेम चल
Every
रहा है।
game is
If I know
Ashes.
Rajat's reply is going to be इतना importance अपने किसी को नहीं देते.
हाँ, I know, I understand.
It's but all
But
said and done,
there is one rivalry होगा.
there is a, if not rivalry, probably a team that we cherish playing against.
Yeah.
We'll put it like
Yeah, probably
that. We
that
enjoy a little more.
Even that game, not just for CPC or that team, for the spectators also. Like an Ashes or an India-Pakistan is for the spectators, not for the teams per se.
You can
But
still-
एक होगा.
Nikhil can still name a team, but for me, there's
हाँ,
no
रजत
team.
भैया का आंसर मेरे को पता था
एकदम।
मोटा मोटी, बट आपके चेहरे पे वो दिख
No,
गया
I
था.
think-
I got it.
Probably it's not rivalry. It's something we cherish. We like
Yeah.
playing against CSC.
Okay, so we can safely say that you know the CPC versus CSC का जो game होगा, I mean probably in the draws it comes up in Riders Cup, that might take that pedestal for the from a spectator point of view
See,
कि हाँ वो game देखने लायक होगा.
for me, each and every game is equally important. You take a BRC. Yasho played last year finals.
We have
for
a diplomatic
Hindustan
captain.
players.
I'm with you. I'm with you. You have a brilliant captain. He's so
I know,
nice
I know.
about
No,
it.
no, he's honest. And I
Not
know he's
limiting.
speaking his heart out. He's
I'm
speaking his
sure,
heart
I'm
out.
sure. Even
And
if-
every game is equally important. We've taken Calcutta Club lightly in the past.
We play
We've
the
lost
ball,
a-
not the bowler. So we
No,
play
no,
the game, not the
I mean,
team.
given an option, compared to us, a team that has 8 to 10 known players, if not
Yeah.
good or bad.
Yeah.
And we've played against a lesser known opponent like a Calcutta Club and lost a game.
Yeah,
An important
absolutely.
game.
Yeah.
That cost us the
True.
tournament.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we've been
So
through
that was a big
Yeah.
learning curve for us, bro.
हाँ कि
we
no
took that-
team
we
lightly
took that
is-
game
you cannot
lightly.
take any team lightly.
So you cannot call anyone Bangladesh. You cannot call anyone Australia.
Yeah.
You have to play.
हाँ.
So for me, मेरे लिए वो तो फैक्टर ही नहीं है कि ये कौन उसको जज करने का वाला मैं नहीं हूँ.
हाँ.
You have to play 120 balls or 240 balls, right? To get that win point or 2 points, whatever you are fighting for. So CSC है, BRC है, so everyone is equally important, and you have to play that 240 balls very modestly and
True.
in true
No, his
spirit.
brief is the same. I don't want to take it away. That he
हाँ.
goes to a bowler and he says 24 बॉल तेरे को डालना है,
हाँ.
24 करना, ढंग से डालना, पूरे
तो
दिन
24
मारना।
बॉल
Take one ball at a time.
तू 24 बॉल में 18 बॉल पे 6 डाल देगा ना तो तेरा काम हो जाएगा.
बस.
तो 6 बॉल खराब डाल
Your job is done.
बस खत्म है. तो हम लोग जब CSC का नाम आ ही रहा है तो I'll just tell you finals में भी I'll tell you for 60% of the game we were on top, maybe 70% of the game,
Yeah.
but it was that last few overs where we lost the plot.
भैया क्रिकेट है, you
Cricket,
know,
हाँ, it's a
cricket is a
benefit,
funny
हाँ,
game. I
that-
mean,
that is-
एक ओवर में बदल
मैं
जाती
बोल रहा
है.
हूँ ये आपको इट्स अ ग्रेट लेवल है. लास्ट टाइम भी मैं बोला था कि आपको ये उसी दिन आपको सिखा देगा
हाँ.
कि आप कहाँ हो कहाँ नहीं
आपको
हो.
चढ़ाएगा भी और वहीं गिरा भी
उसी
देगा.
उसी दिन
हाँ.
आपको 1 साल और 2 साल कर्मा का वेट भी नहीं करना. उसी दिन आपको
उसी गेम में गिरा
उसी दिन
सकता है.
आपको बता देगा कि भाई यहाँ पे लूज
I mean, right way to put it is that we enjoy playing.
Yeah, that is.
Just-
I was
just-
talking about from
just
a
for instance,
spectator point of view.
last night match against New Zealand versus the last
England.
night
England.
England,
Yeah.
हाँ,
See,
हाँ, हाँ.
New Zealand were on
17
top.
overs, 18, 19 game slip. Yeah,
Bro,
44
game
of 18
that
balls.
is-
Yeah.
that is-
Game just changed.
It is not a funny game. It is a cruel game.
हाँ.
भाई ये कब आपके होश उड़ा देगा आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. एक गंदा ओवर इधर और
देखिए
उधर.
क्रिकेट नींद उड़ाने में तो माहिर है.
यही है
as a
boss.
sport.
यही है boss.
यही तो
Cricket
मजा है.
नींद
You
उड़ाने
live for that. Yeah, you live for that.
Yeah.
It's an old school saying. No, you have एक अच्छा छक्का मारा whole
वो पूरा हफ्ते सोच रहे हैं, वही चल रहा है.
मैं अभी भी वीडियो देख रहा हूँ 2-4. निखिल को चौका मारा था.
कैसा लगा?
जोर का.
वो पता है वो चौका जो फील्ड पे फील किए थे ना, वो अभी 2 सेकंड में वापस फील किए.
हाँ, तो मेरे कान में बैठ की आवाज आ रही
बॉल
थी.
नहीं देना था, रजत को वहाँ नहीं देना था. वो
मेरे कान में बैट की आवाज अभी भी आ रही थी. और वहाँ पे आदित्य की भी आवाज आ रही थी. नॉट अ बैट बॉल, नॉट अ बैट बॉल. तो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. एंड ये इसी के लिए तो खेलते
So
हैं.
sorry, मतलब I'll take it for everyone. I mean, this particular line of conversation. So Rajat भैया, being Rajat भैया, बहुत अच्छे से nicely speaking his heart out, diplomatically answer किए. But निखिल भैया's face gave it away like anything. मतलब वो था, it was there that you know the game probably to watch out for in Riders Cup. I'll not call it a rivalry, but a game to watch out for for the love of the game, like in Ashes or India Pakistan or Federer Nadal or something, would be CPC versus CSC.
Okay.
So मैं try करूँगा कि draws वैसे ही निकले.
इसको हाँ ठीक है.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah,
Take it one game
and
at a time.
so इस पे थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ता है. I mean, then we'll move on to our other segment. And so हर edition tournament का any tournament, Riders Cup हो, कोई भी club carnival हो, gets new challenges in. Like Riders Cup, पिछले बार it was 4 clubs plus Red Riders Club, 5 clubs. इस बार there are 8 clubs, so newer teams, probably a newer pool of players,
Yeah.
maybe a better pool of players, and some new names.
One thing is constant. The winner remains the same. Please.
मतलब ये
Farid.
कप को मैं अभी भी नहीं टच कर सकता हूँ. Is what I'm getting.
हम लोगों ने इसको पूरा अच्छे से साफ करके रखा था कि मेरे पास ही आएगा.
So मतलब क्या लग रहा है आपको? What will be that X factor that you know might trouble you as defending champions? Because there's always a defending champions curse.
Yeah.
It's worldwide. It's there.
Absolutely.
मतलब वो कौन सा एक आपको लग रहा है? Maybe it's playing in your head कि वो एक maybe हल्का सा वो chink in your armor.
Probably for our own selves, the pressure of expectations.
True.
That that probably we are living under the thing that we gotta get this baby back home.
Yeah.
And we'll play free brand of cricket anyways, irrespective. Probably we'll take it's a gilt-edged sword. We'll take pressure and we'll take pride.
Yeah.
So it's a two-way thing, and hopefully we've done this before. We'll deliver again.
And maybe new venue, new
venue.
new clubs,
Yeah.
New
different
clubs.
challenges.
Yeah.
New
I think
teams.
let's keep this aside for whatever happened last year. हम लोग को we have to
I
start
think
from zero
RR, with
again.
all due credit, RR has, Riders has, you all have 2 teams combined into one. I think that's going to be,
So-
We've
it's a big challenge.
yeah,
big
churned
challenge,
better.
yeah.
And last year we were thankful that thank God they have 2 teams.
Yeah.
So that was
We had
and-
to balance out the teams,
and-
but this time it's just one team.
And I think
get the best of both.
I think we had a semi-final against you guys,
Yeah.
and we almost we had a nail biting.
We
game.
lost in that last 2 overs.
Yeah, kind
Like
of.
you were saying.
Yeah. So and now 2
मतलब
teams,
हमारे
No,
कैप्टन
exciting. This cup
सिलेक्टर्स
is-
याद करते हैं कि
This cup is
वो
going to be exciting for
it's
sure.
yeah. It's
Looking forward to it.
थोड़ा सा और vibe आ गया इसमें कि
हाँ,
बस
मतलब वो एक है कि
कि अब
होगा.
थोड़ा सा फिर से you have to pull your
Old
socks.
rivalries, new rivalries,
New
new
rivalries.
faces. So
हाँ, probably we get another brand of Ashes, maybe another
And
Yeah.
the best
pair
part is
that comes
every
up.
edition
You
of
see-
your tournament will bring new
see
faces.
how the sport is growing up, and we can see new players like I can name a few like Pranav Sarawi,
Huh.
Pratham, and few more. True. When you see these guys, they play so fearless cricket. You get to learn from them. I saw them playing at CCFC and various other clubs. Someone from Niladri from Calcutta club. Pushpa Saurav still not played, but again Calcutta
Forced
put
to
up a good
reckon with.
crowd. Kaushik from Calcutta club, and these guys, they have played so much cricket. It's now it is not about skill anymore. It's about how much practice, how much match practice you have.
And I think temperament also. You
It-
need
it-
that.
it comes from the more games you play.
True.
It gradually it's a slow process, but the more games you play, you get in line of the ball and you see the ball, you hit the ball well, you bowl the right areas, you bowl the right length. So there's so much cricket going on.
I think each game prepares you so differently.
Yeah.
True.
The last time we played Rajat's team, we needed 20 of the last over.
Yeah.
We scored 22.
Yeah. अब मिला वापस मिला. वापस मिला.
It's a cruel game.
That must have taken a few pills to
Bro,
swallow.
I'm telling you, I was on the boundary line. I was talking to my team owner कि भैया हम लोग शायद bonus point मिल सकता है हम लोग को. Yeah, let's go for the bonus point. Bro, you lost the match. You lost the match. आप 8वें
I
ओवर
was
में
on
बात
the
कर
pitch
रहे हो.
batting, so I know I saw it live. They were shocked. They didn't know what hit them. So yeah. So what I'm taking cue from
Yeah.
him, that every game prepares you differently.
True.
I think so. With our team also, it's a team that has been playing.
What happened last year? Let it be last year. It's a new year.
New
It's
year,
a
new venue,
new venue,
new teams,
new
maybe
teams,
new players.
new
Yeah.
players. So it's going to be a totally different ball game.
Nice. अच्छा, एक CPC cricket team में who do you think will be that one dark horse? Not the regulars, probably like Rajat Bhaiya, Nikhil Bhaiya, Archit Bhaiya, not the regulars, Ricky Bhaiya, but एक dark horse जो आपको लग रहा है maybe निकल के आएगा.
आशु भी है,
Sukesh ji.
सुकेश भी है.
And we are serious about this.
नहीं.
But seriously, that
And
one.
jokes aside, as in like
Yeah.
the great sports, but Rathod for me.
राठौड़.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vikash Rathod.
Maybe he will be the one to watch out for.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
That people don't know yet.
They know him and they are more. I think they will be more traumatized कि अरे विकास को कैसे देखे. पहले तो 4 जन को देख रहे थे. एक 5
एक और आ रहा है. Okay.
शिवम I think mostly in the
He's making a
Pakistan.
comeback.
Shivam, if he's there, I mean, I think he'll do wonders. As he
And you know
always
the
does.
best part from last year we were missing a keeper, a good keeper.
Oh, really?
For me, Vikas
Fills that.
fills that spot perfectly well.
So a proper keeper
Plus the
batsman.
opener.
Yeah.
Being a medium pace bowler for both of us.
हाँ, for you, keeper is like your
Yeah,
bread
yeah.
and butter, to be very
And
honest.
एक पॉइंट होता है ना कि जैसे एक अच्छा बैट्समैन यशो है, he'll step out for when we are bowling, तो हम लोग का थोड़ा swing, थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट को ब्लॉक कर देता
Block कर लेगा.
बट when a keeper stands close to the wickets, उसका वो
वो वाला move ही block हो गया.
तो मेरे को भी नहीं लगता है ऐसा अरे यार पेस बॉलर को आगे खड़ा हुआ है, लेकिन वो बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस.
He's a rock. He's a
He's a
rock.
major.
He's a rock.
Yeah.
I'll tell
As a
you,
wicket keeper, I understand where you're coming
So,
That
from.
confidence he gives
bowling
us.
as when Nikhil is bowling, वो जो bounce और pace generate करता है.
No, with both of us, I think we largely depend on the fact that how a keeper is backing us.
Yeah.
True.
100%. I mean, it can make or break an
I mean,
entire
I think
over.
if a keeper is standing up, आपका line length को भी वो set कर
Yeah,
लेगा.
yeah. Your scope of error going down the leg is
Absolutely.
zero.
मेरे को कीपर को नहीं देखना है, मेरे को तो अपनी लाइन में डालना है
हाँ.
और बैट्समैन अपनी जगह पे है, तो मेरी चाह डालनी है बॉल वही जा रही है जहाँ बैट्समैन को खिलाना चाह रहा हूँ, और बैट्समैन आगे भी नहीं निकला हुआ है, और बैट्समैन का हमेशा बैक ऑफ द माइंड में रहेगा
वो रहेगा ही कि कीपर आगे है.
कीपर आगे है, तो बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है बॉस. और एक अच्छा कीपर गेम को चेंज कर सकता है. आई थिंक इट सेव्स यू
I love what you say. As a
20-25 runs. I saw you keeping last night and
Oh really?
you missed a few catches, but again you kept a very kept really well.
Just to clarify, didn't miss even one catch.
You took a very nice low catch. मैं तो ये भी बता देता हूँ, एक अच्छा लो कैच आपने लिया था. मैं देख रहा हूँ भाई, अब राइडर्स का तो बॉस प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, you're watching the players.
Yeah, correct,
Now
correct,
I get
correct.
it.
हाँ.
मैं भी सरप्राइज की रजत
तो
भैया OPL क्यों देख रहे हैं?
क्योंकि राइडर्स का
Now
तो
I
आप लोग
get it.
कौन सा प्लेयर है. विदित को मैंने पहले बोला कि विदित इज अ गुड प्लेयर.
हाँ.
चिंतन तो बहुत टाइम से साथ
है
खेल ही
ही.
रहे हैं. एंड यू नो लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स, सबका नाम लेने से सब हीरो बन जाएंगे. ज़्यादा बोलने का नहीं है.
ज्यादा नहीं चढ़ाना नहीं है ज्यादा. हाँ, मत चढ़ाइए.
नहीं चढ़ाना.
We still have to play this. चलिए, that was good. So now we'll have a short fun segment before we sign off. मैं ये एक बॉल रख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, ठीक है? I'll throw questions, fun questions, मजेदार cricket related, very nice ones. ये पूरा Amit, my team has prepared this whole, but we'll do 5 or 6 questions. This is the buzzer. जो पहले बॉल उठाएगा वो आंसर करेगा. जो जीता, I have a nice little gift for you.
और तो ठीक है.
बनता है.
Trophy.
ठीक है.
ट्रॉफी मैं ले नहीं, जीत के ले जाएंगे. Okay? We are ready?
Yeah.
So, fun questions. ठीक है? So the first one, जो बॉल उठाया वो आंसर करेगा. झगड़ा कर सकते हैं.
Questions
We
कितने
are
हैं?
ready for it. Which Pakistani cricketer once ran into the crowd with a bat after getting angry and hit a
इंजमाम मुल्ला.
आलू that आलू seed.
अच्छा, क्वेश्चन खत्म होने के बाद बॉल उठाना. ठीक है, ये मेरी गलती थी.
बट ठीक है.
नहीं,
it's
नहीं,
fine.
नहीं, अरे,
नहीं,
मैं
अरे,
बता था आंसर ना.
रजत भैया
कोई अरे
झगड़ा करिए ना अभी.
कब के बाद.
I mean, next question in Nikhil Bhai is already there almost. चलिए, second one. Which Indian cricketer is famous for using Ben Stokes as a name पूरा to refer to Virat Kohli?
It's Indian cricketer.
Indian. Should I give you 3 options?
नहीं.
वो बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज में यही बोलता है जब
रोहित
विराट
शर्मा.
आई एम सॉरी यू आर रॉन्ग.
Sorry.
आपको एक टर्न मिलता है. वन
I'm trying to imagine a tongue-in-cheek cricketer who would do this. I'm just trying to imagine. Who would be
Now is the time.
Jadeja?
नहीं
No.
नहीं.
I'll tell you. Ravichandran Ashwin.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
In every
वो हिंदी में गाली देते हैं?
नहीं वो गाली नहीं देता है. Every second interview he'll always use कि विराट कोहली फील्ड पे बेन स्टोक्स बोल रहा था.
Wow.
मतलब
Something
he'll
to learn.
not use the word but
Okay.
he'll use that.
Not bad.
चलिए.
Damn. Good question.
Okay. Next. Which fast bowler? Two bowlers here. Which fast bowler is famous for blowing a kiss to the ball before starting his run up?
No.
अच्छा,
अच्छा, ठीक है.
चल ठीक है यार. Malinga.
Malinga. That's correct. So we have 1-1. चलो. This is a very simple one. जो पहले बॉल उठाया वो आंसर करेगा.
ले.
Which West Indies cricketer is famous for singing champion and dancing?
चल ले.
DJ.
Bravo.
साथ में लेते हैं. ये गाना साथ में करेंगे.
ये हमारा चैंपियंस डांस है.
हाँ, champions dance. चलो 1-1. Very abstract question. Which cricketer looks angry even after his team is winning?
गौतम गंभीर.
Wrong.
ऐसा कौन है?
Generally very famous for going up to the opponent stand and shouting at them even if he's winning.
दादा.
विराट कोहली.
Virat Kohli.
Shit. I got a different concept.
Chalo 2-1. So, which cricketer's nickname is Boom Boom?
अच्छा.
Okay, 2-1. Acha, tiebreaker question.
Chalo,
We'll
tie.
end with this. ठीक है? I
ये
need to
question हम
look
लोग
for a very nice one. A very nice one.
एक से part भी.
Okay. I'll give options on this question. Okay. It's a very funny one. Very funny anecdote in cricket history. There was a cricketer who, in the middle of an over, requested the umpire for a washroom break. पूरा sign करके on camera. I'll give you two options. Richie Bernard, Chris Gayle.
रिची बेनोटी होगा इसको.
Chris
नहीं.
Gayle. Something to learn, man.
Chris Gayle.
Is it?
Wow.
मतलब it was a मतलब
It was a test
Are these
match.
questions yours or Nupur's?
इसे जो जी
देखिए पूरा लाइफ उसका है. The questions are mine.
Good. Very nice.
So because आपने वो last question wrong
Wrong
answer
बताया.
किया, so we have our winner. So Nikhil भैया,
भाई beer होता तो अभी याद आता कर.
so for you winning, we have a little gift for you. The Red Riders
Lovely.
Oh, brother.
white ball.
Cherished ball.
सुपर.
That's for
Super.
you.
ये
याद आता है.
ये तो ये
Something.
साथ में प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे.
This is the ball we are playing the tournament
भाई
with.
अच्छी बॉल है बस.
So
Nice
it's
shape,
a-
seam is good.
Damn nice.
50 over ball. It'll swing till 20 overs.
बस
Yeah.
तो बस. और वो भी हम लोग मार्च में अगर खेल रहे हैं तो ड्यू का फैक्टर नहीं है तो ये बॉल बहुत अच्छा है, इसमें मजा आएगा. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बॉल्स
Yeah.
जो
Probably.
Top.
प्रोबेबली या दिस
Do
कलर
you
इज
sell this
नाइस.
also commercially?
Yes. Red Riders as a organization sells this.
गुड बॉल.
But this is a gift for you for
मत
winning
मांगना
the.
साले.
So guys, that was Rajat Bhaiya, Nikhil Bhaiya.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
boss.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nikhil
Alex,
Bhaiya, for doing
super.
this.
Well done.
Rajat Bhaiya for doing this.
Cricket one.
Cricket one. It was a good convo.
Yeah.
We are going to do that this year.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
Chalo, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.